Welcome back. It is Thursday. We have the economic news calendar for NFP week. Tomorrow is going to be Friday, last trading day of the week. Looking at the charts, last video on Tuesday, I already mentioned these yellow lines as the drawn liquidity that I was looking for, and watching how price will react at this down close candle on the DXY. I did mention on that video that I wanted to see price sweep the Monday low and then rally up, but instead price stayed strong despite it being in a high resistance liquidity run, and went to the relative equal highs I was looking for and has hit the low end of the weekly SIBI. Because it's NFP tomorrow, I have no expectations on what's going to happen. So at this point, my analysis will be on standby, and I'll just wait for the week to close out, and then on the weekend, see what time frame, what levels exist, and then go off of that going into next week. Pound dollar, looking for these orange lines, price to draw down into it, which you already mentioned. Price on Wednesday, so Tuesday night after the Asian range, price closed down past this up close candle, and then on the Wednesday London open session it used it as resistance and moved down towards these relative equal lows that are marked out on the Tuesday, and is making its way down to this orange line. So like I said, because NFP is tomorrow, no expectations on if it will continue lower or just bounce around in this range. Euro moved away from the higher time frame level, did it in a choppy fashion. I did mention I wanted to see it sweep the high, but it didn't. Instead it just rolled over slowly. It's really choppy, and it cleared out the relative equal lows. So going into next week, I'll just have to wait for this weekly candle to close, and then from there we'll mark out what levels I'm looking for.